Welcome to my channel Knowledge Home, and today's topic General Science. Knowledge Home, and today's topic is General Science, and here is some chemical name, commercial name, and the chemical compound and chemical formula. So let's start. Number one is common salt, and whose chemical compound name is sodium chloride and chemical formula NaCl. Now the second is baking soda, chemical compound sodium bicarbonate, and the chemical formula is NaHCO3. Baking soda, chemical compound sodium bicarbonate, and chemical formula NaHCO3. Now the commercial name is washing soda. The chemical compound is sodium carbonate, and the formula Na2CO3 10H2O. Na2CO3 10H2O. Caustic soda, sodium hydroxide, NaOH. Chili saltpeter, sodium nitrate, and the formula is NaNO3. Chili saltpeter, sodium nitrate, and the formula is NaNO3. Next, borax, and the chemical compound name is sodium borate, and the formula Na2B4O710H2O. Na2B4O710H2O. The next is soda ash, and the chemical compound name is sodium carbonate. The formula is Na2CO3. Soda ash, sodium carbonate, and the formula is Na2CO3. The next one is global salt. And the chemical compound name is sodium sulfate. And the formula is Na2SO4 10H2O. Na2SO4 10H2O. Global salt, sodium sulfate, Na2SO4 10H2O. The next one is hypo, and the chemical compound name is sodium thiosulfate. The formula is Na2S2O3 5H2O. And the formula is Na2S2O3 5H2O. The next one is potash alum. And the chemical compound name is potassium aluminium sulfate. And the formula is K2SO4 Al2SO4 whole 3 24H2O. The formula is K2SO4 Al2SO4 the whole 3 24H2O. The next one is lime water. The chemical compound name is calcium hydroxide. And the formula is CaOH whole 2. The next one is gypsum. The chemical compound name is calcium sulfate. And the formula is CaSO4 2H2O. The next one is plaster of Paris. The chemical compound name is calcium sulfate hemihydrate. And the formula is CaSO4 half H2O. Next one is select lime. Chemical compound name is calcium oxide, and the formula is CaO. Select lime. Chemical compound name is calcium oxide, and the formula is CaO. Next is chalk or marble. Chemical compound calcium carbonate, and the chemical formula CaCO3. The next one is limestone. Chemical compound calcium carbonate. And the chemical formula CaCO3. And again CaCO3. Chalk or marble and the limestone, the chemical formula is same, and the chemical compounds is also same. The next one is hydrolith. And the chemical compound name is calcium hydride. And the chemical formula CaH2. The next one is laughing gas, and the chemical compound name is nitrous oxide. And the formula N2O, the formula N2O. Next one is calomel, and the chemical compound name is mercury chloride. Chemical compound name is mercury chloride, and the formula is Hg2Cl2. Hg2Cl2. Next one is blue vitriol, and the chemical compound name is copper sulfate. Chemical compound name is copper sulfate, and the formula is CuSO4 5H2O. CuSO4 5H2O. CuSO4 5H2O. The next one is phosgene. Next one is phosgene, and the chemical compound name is carbonyl chloride. The chemical compound name is carbonyl chloride, and the formula is CaCl2. The formula is CaCl2, phosgene. And the next one is ferron. The chemical compound name is dichloro-difluorocarbon. Dichloro-difluorocarbon, and the chemical formula is CF2Cl2. CF2Cl2, ferron. And the next one is pyrene. Next one is pyrene. Next one is pyrene, and chemical compound name is carbon tetrachloride. Carbon tetrachloride, and the chemical formula is CCl4. CCl4, pyrene, carbon tetrachloride, CCl4. Next one is wood spirit, and whose chemical compound name is methyl alcohol, and the formula is CH3OH. CH3OH. And next one, the last one is vinegar, and the chemical compound name is dilute. DIL for dilute, solution of acetic acid. Dilute solution of acetic acid, and whose chemical formula is CH3COOH. CH3COOH. Vinegar, chemical compound name is dilute solution of acetic acid, and the formula is CH3COOH. And please subscribe the channel Knowledge Home.